Having a zen moment with my burger, hold on. Wow. Of all the burgers I've tried, and if you've been watching me for a while, you know I've tried a lot, a smash burger is my absolute favorite. It's got this thin patty with crispy, craggy edges that get like, oh my God, they're just so juicy. So to get started, you're gonna need something to smash down the burger. Smash burger, smash, makes sense, right? You could totally use a spatula, but I find that having something a bit weightier is gonna get that really thin patty. I like using a pot, but you could also use a cast iron or even a brick if you have something like that lying around. I know that sounds weird, but I don't know, maybe you do. You don't have to wrap it in tin foil, but you want to. It's gonna get greasy, you know? And you don't have to be delicate with this. I like doing 2 sheets of tin foil just for safety. Just prevent, another dish from being washed later. Voila. There's 2 types of burgers, pub style burger and smash burger, what we're making today. Pub style is usually like 8 ounces of meat. It's like a big, thick patty. Smash burger is 2 to 4 ounces of meat, so significantly smaller. And in order to do that, we're not actually gonna make a patty, we're just gonna pick it up and shape it into a ball. So you can think maybe about the size of like a tennis ball. Is that like a tennis ball? I haven't played tennis in a while. Let's see how that feels. So the reason that we're not making these into patties is that the pan is going to smash it down into the burger shape. And last one, perfect.
Yeah, I'd say that's more like a racquetball.
I don't play racquetball, so if you do, let me know in the comments if this is racquetball size. Okay, perfect. After you've touched the ground beef, go wash your hands. So for smash burgers, the only seasoning you need is salt and pepper. Very easy. You can totally season while they're in the pan, but you can also save yourself some time and just do it on the cutting board like this. So just take your salt, generously season the burger. And then just do the same with pepper. Okay, and now just flip them over and season the other side the same way. I know this looks like a lot of salt and pepper, but remember, we're not seasoning the inside. All the seasoning and flavor is coming from the outside of the patty, so you can be very generous. Okay, burgers are about ready to go, but before I do that, I just want to toast a Buns. So to toast the Buns, I like to just take some butter, spread it right over. And I'm using a potato roll here. It's totally up to you what kind of bun you use. Potato rolls feel pretty classic though. Once the buns are buttered, you can just toast them up right in a pan. I'm using carbon steel, but you could totally use cast iron, stainless steel, something that's gonna really give it that good crust. I'm gonna heat it over medium heat. Carbon steel gets pretty hot pretty fast. Okay, the pan is hot. Just take your buttered bun, let it hang out for a minute. Whoop. Beautiful. The buns are ready, and now it's time to cook the burgers. So keep the heat over medium-high and add just a drop of grapeseed oil. I know this is kind of scary, especially if you're in a small apartment without a big, hood over your stove, but you want to get the pan super hot. Not quite smoking, but like one step below that. The hotter the pan, the crispier and craggier your edges are gonna be around the smash burger, and that's what makes it so good. This is how I test to see how hot the pan is. Just hold your hand a few inches above it. I mean, this is like 3 inches, and my hand is like, oh, this is really hot. And it's just starting to smoke, so time for the ground beef. That sizzle is exactly what you want to hear, and then just push down Cook the burgers for about 2 minutes aside. I know that's not long, but because the burger is so thin, it doesn't take much to cook. And it looks like it's about ready to flip. I'm using my handy dandy fish spatula, #1 favorite tool in the kitchen. Woo! Stunning. Perfect. Look at those crispy, craggy edges here. This is exactly what I'm talking about. This is what makes a smash burger so good. Okay, burger is done, and just put it on that beautiful toasted bun. I'm gonna make this a double-decker hamburger. Double burger? What do they call those? Double cheeseburger? Double hamburger? Whatever. I'm gonna make 2 patties. This one with cheese to show you when to do that. You don't need to add more oil to the pan. It's got enough grapeseed oil, and the oil from the burger has already greased it sufficiently. As soon as you flip the patty over, that's when you want to put the cheese on top. If you don't do it then, it's not going to melt in time for when the burger's ready. You can see this is already starting to melt on the sides. And that's basically the sign that the burger's ready to go. I love when the cheese kind of sticks to the pan and gets crispy. My God, yum. I'm kind of a purist when it comes to smash burgers, and basically ketchup, mustard, maybe mayo, maybe a pickle, but I like to keep it pretty simple. This is exactly what I want in a smash burger. It's not that pretty, but damn, it's gonna be so good. I mean, let's see. Let me verify for you. Oh. Smash burgers are so easy to make. You can tell there's barely any ingredients. Basically need 2 pans and that's it. If you make a smash burger at home, let me know in the comments what your favorite toppings are. If you're into cheese, no cheese, I'd love to hear it. Smash burger lovers unite.
It just goes to show